Oompa Loompa Doopa Dee Don't. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Athena and this is my 31 days of Halloween. Day 1, my Oompa Loompa look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. Okay, we're gonna jump right in. So I'm about to white out my eyebrows with this cream makeup paint from Spirit Halloween. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a voiceover because this is just too much noise going on. So I'm starting out and I'm gonna shade in my brows with this white Spirit paint from Spirit Halloween. This is the worst white paint ever, y'all. It cracks so bad, and you will see that later on in this look. I also want to apologize in advance for my fire alarm that's going off. Y'all, I changed the batteries. I reset it. I don't know why it's still going off, but y'all are going to be hearing that for the whole 31 days, just to let you know. To set my brows in place, I'm using this white eyeshadow from the Lisa Frank Morph palette. And after I set my eyebrows, I'm going to go back on top again with some white paint. And then I'm not going to set them again after that. Next, I'm taking this random brown lip pencil. It came like as a set of like 150 from Amazon. It's like no brand names. I don't know what the, I think it's Nabby, yeah. So I'm just outlining like the uniform shirt of the Oompa Loompa. One thing that I do regret about this look is not bringing down the body paint some more. I had it really high at the top, so it did make it harder with taking my pictures. But anyways, so I'm going in with that same white I used on my eyebrows, and I'm going to shade in the scraps and do the little pattern on my neck. Every time I lay paint down, I do like to go over it with multiple coats. This right here is my second coat. And I think I went on with another coat like towards the end just to touch everything up. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline foundation. I forgot what shade this is in, but I'm going to put it on the side. And the description and the parts are also going to be in the description. But I'm using this foundation to make the outer part of my shirt. It blends so beautifully. So that's why I wanted to go in with this instead of like some brown paint, because I know that the foundation was going to blend easier. So after I'm done finished like blending up my body, I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to create this pattern. It's going to be white, brown, white, brown. So this middle color on my neck, it was supposed to be a lighter brown, but it was giving like the same color as the top. So I went in with this True Match foundation and came up with this lighter color. This is the exact color that I was looking for. The orange that I'm using is from the Athena Makeup Pink Palette. And I'm just going to, I shouldn't have put it on like this because it made it like streaky. So I had to go back on top and like create multiple layers by fixing it, but it's whatever. And this is one of my favorite parts. I love cutting my brow with paint. I don't know. But I'm just shading in my face to make myself orange like Trump. It's like, no. So like I said earlier, every time I put paint down, I like to set it. So I don't have any more of my UCANBE setting powder, so I had to use my Makeup Revolution and it was not working out. So I did have to go on top of this with another coat and it made it way more vibrant. I'm fixing up my wig right now. Y'all know, y'all see it has to be fixed up. I don't know what style I'm going for. I don't know if I want to wear it like in a hump or a little twist. But I think I end up taking pictures in both of them for real. And yes, out of got to be, y'all. Like, how you out of got to be day 1 of your series? Pull the spritz out. Okay. There you go, girl. Fix it up. That's right. So now I'm outlining with that black pink from the Athena makeup pink palette.
Y'all, I love it. Like, I love it. 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 Oompa loompa doopa dee doo. If you enjoyed this look, which I know that you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow, my day 2. Oompa loompa doopa dee don't. These bitches can't fuck with me, even if they won't. I look fly as fuck to you too. Alright, I'm done.